Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to look at the ScaleTrains Rivet Counter HO Scale GES44AH CSX Heritage Unit in the Chesapeake, Ohio scheme. So I got this from Spring Creek Model Trains, and it just came in today, and it is a gorgeous model, very gorgeous. And it is DCC ready. I don't have the sound. This is not the sound version, but here's the box. Very nice box. I love all the roads and predecessors of CSX on the side here with the CSX Heritage Series logo. Front of the box. And here is the side. Chesapeake, Ohio Heritage Scheme. Prototypical ScaleTrains. And here's the back of the box. Feel free to pause and read. Set it on here. Feel free to pause and read. And this retailed for $205 from Spring Creek Model Trains. I got this online. And I do one 18-inch radius curves, and this will run on my 18-inch radius curves, which is minimum 18-inch radius. Recommended is 22-inch radius, but it safely navigates 18-inch radius, no problems. And this is the box. Alright, let's get on more of the review. I have my pointer. Alright, so we got the coupler. These are ScaleTrains couplers, not Katie's, and they look very detailed. And the metal. I heard the Operator Series couplers are plastic. So they're like the Athearn McHenry couplers, but in the river counters, I do like the metal couplers, in my opinion. Metal couplers are good in my opinion. And that's why a while ago I bought Katie's from Train World. Katie couplers. To replace all my Athearn rolling stock with Katie's instead of the McHenry couplers. Alright, then we got the PTC antenna array, which finally edged windshield wipers, headlights and ditch lights, grab irons, MU cables and air brake hose, coupler cut level, and then we got the sunshades, and that dynamic brake housing. And then we got the K5HL horn, the later version. And then we had the exhaust, fans on top, and the radiator. The radiator looks very good. And these vents are Sifu, the brake wheel, Chesapeake, Ohio, with the little Chesapeake, Ohio logo. And then we do have rotating bearing caps, CSX 1869, Chesapeake, Ohio, Heritage Unit. And on the back, you got the Chesapeake, Ohio logo. Rear headlight. In DC operations, you got the rear light works, and the headlight and ditch lights works. And here's the fuel tank. Nicely painted fuel level gauge. Emergency fuel cutoff switch. FRA striping. And let me show you the other side. The other side looks about the same. No other details to be noted, but still the same on all ES44AHs. And then, and yeah, alright, we're gonna start running it. And, yeah, let's start running it. One's pretty smooth, slow it down a little bit. One's pretty smooth. Got all my modern freight cars on. The headlights are bright, they're all LEDs. All LEDs, which I like. I do like all LEDs. A lot of my older CSX locomotives, like the Athens ones that I have, the bulbs are not working. So they have the old bulbs. And yeah. Sorry for the background noise. It's my parents talking. But we're focused more on the Chesapeake, Ohio Heritage Unit. Gorgeous model. Very gorgeous in all of its glory. Show you the rotating bearing cap. Let me turn my flashlight on. It is so cool. There's the rotating bearing caps right there. Gorgeous model. Love it. One's pretty smooth. Alright, that wraps it up with the video, and I hope you enjoyed this little review on the ScaleTrains Rivet CSX C&O Heritage Unit. Hopefully you enjoyed this little review, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, have a good one. Bye.